Hey guys, welcome to another episode on SolutionsRoom. I'm not going to talk too much because I'm really excited to unbox and try this Blackhead Remover Vacuum by FITFORT on Amazon. So without any delay, let's get straight into it. First things first, this is not an ad, this is something that I purchased myself with my own money and wanted to share my experience with you guys. So this product claims to remove any blackheads, reduce built-off grease, reduce acne spots, exfoliate your facial dead skin, and really deep clean the layer off your skin. The device comes with a USB lead charger, it has a LED display, the device holds 5 levels of suction power which you can increase or decrease depending on how stubborn or sensitive your skin is. Let's open this up. As you can see, you get your instructions manual with it, explaining how to use the device with some additional tips. There's no way I'm going to read this out to you guys, you can do that in your free time. It comes with 4 removable and washable heads for different skin conditions. Here are some extra filters that you can change. After a month or so, if you do decide to use the same filter, just make sure after you've washed it, it needs to be completely dried before inserting it back in. I'll show you how to remove the filter in a bit. And here we have the USB charging lead that can be inserted into any plug. And here's the actual device, comes in an extra cover. The quality of the product is actually pretty good, you guys, like the plastic doesn't seem cheap at all. The charging point is right at the back of the device. Earlier on we were talking about the changing of the filter, and to do that just pull out the head like so. There's this rubber that you also need to take off. You'll find the filter sponge right there which you can easily take out with your nails or tweezers. I've managed to take it out with my nails. Just pull out a new filter or reuse the one by washing and drying it completely and then putting it back in. Let's take a look at the variety of heads it comes with. You have the microcrystalline head. This head will massage and exfoliate areas with high absorption, suitable for any area of the face except around the eyes. Here we have the oval head, designed for areas hard to clean such as the corners of the nose and mouth and areas that have fine lines. People with sensitive skin and the ones trying to clean around the eyes can also opt for this head. This is a small size circular head for cleaning the pores. This head's suction power is weak, again suitable for sensitive skin. It's good for those that have blackheads, whiteheads and grease sitting on the first layer of the skin. So here's the final head, the big size circular head. This has a stronger suction power in comparison to the smaller head which I just showed you. This head is best for the entire face except around the eyes, really good for oily and deep black and white heads. The power of this head also helps blood circulation and lets the skin rejuvenate again. So I've just inserted the charging lead with a Samsung plug just to see if it's working, and there it is. The LED display just turned on and the charging symbol is flashing, which means the device is now charging. Here's a little close up for you guys. Here we have the power button. The top one is to increase the power level and the bottom one is to decrease. Let's now try it physically and see how good the device is. I've washed and steamed my face, my pores are now soft, which should help the device to pull out any whiteheads, blackheads and oil. I do feel my pores get clogged with oil built up and products that I use, so I am expecting whiteheads and grease to be extracted at the end. Let's turn this on and keep it on level 2 as this is the first time I'm using this. Wherever you use this device, just make sure to move the device bottom up. The first time I did that, I got red really quick and within seconds my skin was bruised. Let's move on to the nose. So again, make sure you're working from the bottom up and do not leave the device on one area for too long, which I clearly didn't, but I still managed to bruise myself. And yes, certain areas of the face can be painful such as corners and tip of the nose, but I think it's doing the job. As you can see at the end of it, I was super red and bruised, my nose, my cheeks and the chin. However, at the end, I found extracted grease and whiteheads in the inner side of the probe, the head that I was using, which was pretty satisfying. My skin definitely felt smoother, especially around the nose. So in terms of the packaging, make and quality of the product, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Whereas performance wise, I'll give it a 7 out of 10, only because it turned my skin super red and left me with bruises for like 2 days. Which means there's no way I would use this device a day or a few hours before a big event. Also, it could get really painful when pulling the device away from sucked skin, but when it came to showing results, it did a good job. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.